Gusto ko nang i-explore tong email blast natin. So we have dashboard. Actually, hindi pa okay itong dashboard natin. Contacts, email group, isa pa lang. Email campaign, template, unsubscribe, syempre wala. Settings, so meron tayong SMTP. Isa pa lang yung SMTP natin, Gmail, footer, and AI. Dapat pwede pa tayo mag-add dito, no? Mas maganda kung pwede mag-add ng multiple AI connection. Isa yun sa mga iaano natin. Okay, nakapag-drop na siya. So, let's review it. Review natin ang drop phase 8. Phase 8 is attachment plus Airbnb guest involved. So, prerequisite natin is this one. Okay na to. Okay na din. For Airbnb guest import your Airbnb guest CSV from serve to kailangan natin to gawin. Okay. Have your files ready to test the import flow? No API or Airbnb integration required. File-based import only. Oh, nice. Bakit ganun? Wala bang wala bang way to automate yun? Add a feature for email plus a file attachment on campaign, re-upload files, either PDF, image, and docs to a campaign entity are sent as an email attachment by NodeMailer. And 2, Airbnb guest import list, re-upload an Airbnb reservation CSV important. Add in the app, first the guest name and email into the contact list. Optionally assign them to a Airbnb guest. To automatically vote features are file-based and required no external API integration. Wala bang ano? In Airbnb there's a way to automate and collect the list of the guests or book guests. Tingnan natin. Wala bang way? Bakit siya manually? Wait. Gagawin natin. Like auto-sync of calendar guest number and guest number, email, and okay, tignan natin ano bang mangyayari dyan. Ask natin siya. Baka naman may way. Honest answer, Airbnb is deliverability is restricted about the guest data access for individual hosts. What available? eCal pin, free built-in. Airbnb provides a public eCal URL. It sync booking dates and status automatically, but no guest name. Ano lang siya, no? Calendar lang. Okay. Use for calendar sync unless for contact import. Useless for contact import. There is a full API with guest data access, but Airbnb only grant it to approved software companies. Guest host fully logic. The individual host cannot be applied. Dead end. Okay. My recommendation for PaySite, keep the CSV import as is and cover the pre-path. If you want to auto sync, the cleanness add-on could be webhook, receiver, and point in the email blast after. Semi-care also when a new booking arrives. That's a small additional one are that not required. Okay, parang okay lang naman yung pag-import. Parang gusto kong paghiwalayin yung attachment and Airbnb import. Canva. Okay? Okay na muna to. Bye-bye. Pero papa-execute ko na to and matulog. Tingnan natin bukas ano yung magagawa niya. Okay? Bye-bye. Good morning! So, build muna natin ang email blast version 8 natin before tayo mag-jogging. So, alas 4, 4:45 na ng umaga. Pero ayun, kahapon pa ito na tapos. Pero inaantok na kasi tayo, kaya tulog na tayo. So let's go, build na natin. Dito na tayo. Just after natin mabuild, i-explore na rin muna natin before natin ipatest. Okay, na-build na. Let's redeploy. Sure, i-check na rin natin yung logs. Okay naman, Yeah, okay naman. Okay. campaign, create. Ayun, may attachment na. Kailangan mo nang i-save before tayo makapag-attach. Okay. So, okay. Explore natin to. So, this is our email blast application or email blast campaign application. So, we have a dashboard. For dashboard is a simple dashboard. So, total campaign, total send, contact, and group, and yung mga recent na send natin. And we have a contacts. So, isa pa lang yung contact ka. And member, ay group, and member niya, isa ko pa lang din, syempre. And yung campaign, sa campaign is, ito na yung mga na-testing natin. So, if you want to create a campaign or new campaign, so click lang natin yan. So, can we fill up that or just load a template we already created, like for example, welcome back discount. So, magpipill out na yan, and also the body. Meron tayong plain text and meron din tayong HTML body. Actually, this one is ginamit natin to yung AI. So, try natin ulit yun. So, dito pwede nating save as a template or back na lang or create tayo ulit and generate with AI. Pwede tayo mag-create ng audience. Audience is all want looking for staycation. Promo. Since Sunday ngayon, Happy Sunday %20 discount. Professional, friendly, professional, urgent. I think urgent kasi today. Happy Sunday discount. Today only. This promo is valid until today. Okay, generate natin. Yan na, nagge-generate na siya. Very nice. Ayan na, Happy Sunday, your 20% staycation discount expired today. Parang mali yun na. Ito yung pag plain lang. And pag may HTML, ayan, Happy Sunday Special, your exclusive Sunday staycation offer, 20% off today only. Nice. Good morning, we are thrilled of offer you can exclusive Happy Sunday gift, 20% your next staycation gift. Whether you're dreaming a cozy weekend treatment, retreat, spa, escape, so on and so forth. Ito yung link natin. Promo code Sunday. Actually, sa promo code, nagja-generate lang siya ng something. Use this and makikita nyo. Check natin yan. Meron tayong HTML, syempre, email, HTML plain and HTML template. Very nice. Pwede rin tayong gumawa ng sa atin ito, ng sarili natin. So, try muna natin save Yan, na-save na natin. Na-save na ba? Oops, wala pang name. Happy Sunday promo. Yung default pa lang din yung ano. Siyempre, pwede tayo mamili ng HTML provider natin and try natin i-save. Okay, na-save na. So, let's try to, pwede tayo mag-ano dito. Mag-input or mag-attachment. Pero parang wala tayong attachment ah. Ah, ito pala. Try natin to. Test na rin ako. Na-save naman. Save ulit natin and try it. Pwede nating i-schedule. So, yan. Oops, may constraint. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari. Pero, dito naman. Pero mas maganda siguro kung I want to send now. Send now. Oh no. May error tayo na na-encounter. Okay lang yan. Since na-save na siya. Save as template muna ba? Happy Sunday. Pack. Edit. Send now natin. Okay. May error talaga. So, papaayos natin ulit yan. Meron tayong, pwede tayong mag-template. Create ng campaign, template, syempre, pwede rin. So, pag sinabi natin save as template to, save as template, like, happy Sunday promo. Save siya and makupunta na dito and pwede natin ma-view. Something like that. And siyempre, meron din tayong unsubscribe. So, yung email natin is automatically nag-i-inject ng footer. So, yung footer na yon, ang laman niya is yung info natin, email, pangalan, and yung unsubscribe link. And meron din tayong settings. So, dito natin nilalagay yung SMTP providers natin. Sa ngayon, meron na yung Gmail yung ginagamit natin SMTP provider. Pwede tayo mag-add ng multiple SMTP server kasi gamitin natin kung ano yung gusto natin. And ito yung footer na sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, andito yung info natin, yung send by, yung pangalan ng sender, yung address, and yung unsubscribe link. So, save lang natin. And meron din tayong AI. So, this AI is ginagamit. Ito yung connection natin. Ito yung configuration natin ng AI para doon sa AI campaign generator natin. Sa ngayon, si Anthropic yung ginagamit natin and syempre di pwedeng pakita. Testing lang natin. Yan, testing naman. Success naman yung testing natin. Test connection. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. So, papaayos natin yung ano natin dito. This one. Or dahil ba X natin yan. May something wrong talaga yun, no? Wala na yung ano, pero ganun pa rin. Try natin i-send. Okay, may error nga talaga. Tignan natin nga kung naka-send. Hindi siya nasa-send. So, yun lang yung ano, may error pa tayo. So, papaayos natin yun. So, let's go. Paayos natin. I already deployed the email blast versions 8. Wait. Test all the features and fix the error you encounter. Bayan natin siya yung maka-encounter ng error na yan. Yung constraint na yan. Okay, send na natin, send. Ay, patest na natin. So, mag-jogging tayo habang nagte-testing siya. Okay na, yan na. Ina-open na yung Chrome. So, dapat meron yung ito na. So, te-testing niya na yan. Umulan pala kagabi. Maabon ngayon. Holy shit. Parang di tayo makapag-jogging. Mag-jogging ba tayo? Siyempre! Oo. Import. One duplicate. Okay, let's redeploy it. Okay, na-deploy na natin. So, let's try. Email campaign, Sunday promo, happy Sunday promo, edit. Ito lang. Okay. Send now. Shit, may issue pa rin. Docker logs. So, pa-send natin to. Since hindi niya nakuha, we encounter error during sending email. Try natin. Paano niya ipipix? Okay, na-build na natin. Redeploy it. And check natin yung logs. Okay. Try natin ulit. Campaign, happy Sunday promo, and this one. Meron na rin. Take it. na natin yung send now eh. Send now. Nice. Na-send na. So, dash. Sending. Sending pa lang. Okay, mukhang na-send na. Okay, send na nga. Check natin dito. Andito na, man. So, ayan. Happy Sunday Special. Happy Sunday Special. Your exclusive staycation offer. Okay, mukhang ang ganda. Next nga natin to. Let's go. Andito na rin yung ano natin, attachment. So, gumana siya. And click natin yung sa unsubscribe na sa ito. So, unsubscribe. So, confirm lang niya yan and mag-unsubscribe na yung ano natin. Email. So, ngayon, siyempre, hindi natin gagawin natin. Unsubscribe na siya kung titignan natin yung contact natin is wala na pero pag sino yung unsubscribe, andito tayo. Parang maganda. Nice, di ba? So, edit. Oh, no. Hindi tayo unsubscribe. This one. Click natin to. Resubscribe. Tayo naman yan. Kaya okay lang. So, diyan, babalik na siya. Yun lang. Okay, let's go! Tapos na ang ating email blast. Email blast version 8 is now needed and be the issue. So dito kung makikita nyo, parang nag-run pa rin pala kahit tulog tayo, no? Pero ang layo lang ng run nito. Tsaka to. Okay, ina-update yun na yung memory log. Check natin ulit. Is the all India and status. Parang tapos na tayo sa email blast, I think. Check natin, baka merong nadagdag eh. Email blast. Okay, tapos na nga. B1, P2, B3. Okay. Ito, ang dami din ito. Ito po yung mga na-drop. Ayan yung mga suggestion. Alam mo kasi may bayad. Ayaw ka nyan. Okay na tayo. Yun muna guys. Bye-bye. Maglalakad-lakad muna tayo sa SM. Since umuulan, hindi tayo makakatakbo.